Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Whiteboard Wealth. Now in today's video, what we're going to be talking about once again is our beautiful Ampleforth Governance token. You know, we've been talking about Ampleforth on this channel for quite a while. We've done a few videos on this and they've done really well. So if this is your first time here, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, you know, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, let's get into this video. So if you don't know a bit about Ampleforth Governance token, I'll now have Ryan give you a little rundown on it, as well as read the price live data exchange for the last 24 hours, and I'll be back with some more details, as well as I'll have price predictions as we normally do at the end of the video. But the price predictions today are going to be different. They're going to vary, so yeah.
Fourth price live data. The live Ampleforth Governance token price today is $35 with a 24-hour trading volume of $58,763,359. Ampleforth Governance token is down 5.17% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 261 with a live market cap of $222,744,967. It has a circulating supply of 6,363,602 fourth coins and a maximum supply of 15 million fourth coins. If you would like to know where to buy Ampleforth Governance token, the top exchanges for trading in Ampleforth Governance token are currently Binance, Huobi Global, OKX, Coinbase Pro, and MXC.com. Fourth is Ampleforth's AMPL Governance token. Fourth holders can vote on proposed changes to the Ampleforth protocol or delegate their votes to representatives who vote on their behalf. AMPL is the first ever rebasing cryptocurrency. Like Bitcoin, AMPL is non-dilutive. Unlike Bitcoin, AMPL can be used to denominate contracts of predictable value. Where AMPL represents an independent currency that functions as a unit of account, Fourth is the governing mechanism that oversees its evolution. Fourth was launched by the Ampleforth team as a Day 1 launch in conjunction with Coinbase in April of 2021.
So I was editing and I realized that I didn't give like a full explanation on the Ampleforth Governance token. So if you already know what Ampleforth is, you can go ahead and skip forward in the video. So what exactly is the Ampleforth token? Fourth is Ampleforth Governance token that aims bring full decentralization of protocol by working with AMPL. Fourth is second official token of the Ampleforth ecosystem, as this token will bring important for deciding future of protocol, as every Fourth holder will now participate in voting for future development and other decisions. Ampleforth blockchain project that building DeFi services, as it is nominated set of smart contracts for DeFi services. Fourth will be completing the Ampleforth ecosystem by giving full control to the community. Now Fourth holders will be able to become half of ecosystem that gives 50-50 control to AMPL Fourth holders, as of writing over 5 billion worth on chain volume locked on different exchange, including Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other DEX. So yes, there you have it. That is a brief definition of what is the Fourth's token. So as I promised earlier in the video, I'm going to give you the predictions that we have already predicted for, not already predicted, but the predictions for the Ampleforth Governance token. So it reads here: Fourth token price analysis. Coinbase announces to listing of 4 tokens as tokens start trading at $54.44 USD in price, as it later dropped to $21.85 USD. Ampleforth Governance token yet to be fully claimed by users. As of writing, it is trading at $35 currently. Average price with reported $300 million volume. Fourth token also is listed on Huobi Global, Bilaxi, and Uniswap platform as just like the Ampleforth token. So it could be listed on Binance as well as KuCoin and other top trading platforms. Further listings will help you to create a bullish sentiment in the price, probably in after probably 1 to 2 months. So when I go down, let's go down to the Fort price predictions. Okay, so now the predicted price for Ampleforth Governance token at the end of this year would be $175. I said this before, it hasn't changed as yet. At the end of the year, we're expecting it to be at $175 at a minimum, and a higher forecast would be $400. So the basis on this is that we predict that price forecast is based on the circulating supply of 15 million. The current circulating supply is 6.2 million. We anticipate the circulating supply will slowly rise as more people buy the token, thus causing the price to grow at a slow and steady rate until all tokens are released, if they all are released. So the thing about it, I believe personally, it is a good investment opportunity. As I always say in the description, I say, we're not financial advisors, and you should also do your own research before you attempt to, get into this specific cryptocurrency. But based on what we've been reading and the information that we've been gathering, it seems like Ampleforth is about to kick off. So not about to kick off, but it actually is kicking off at the moment. So it is a great investment opportunity, and I surely believe that it will do great things in the future. So guys, if you have a question or any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below, because we do read every single comment and we reply to each and every single comment. You can check in the comment section of our previous videos and you'll see exactly what we're talking about. So if you did find this video beneficial, go ahead and drop a like below, as well as have post notifications turned on, because we will be dropping more videos on the Ampleforth Governance token as we gather more information, as well as we follow the trend of this cryptocurrency, because it is very bullish on this channel, and it is very bullish in general because it's kickstarting. So, and it's being listed on all the major trading platforms. So again, make sure to stay tuned with this channel, because we believe that Ampleforth Governance token, as well as Ampleforth in general, will be doing great things. And it is very beneficial in a sense, like whereby you get to influence and make your own decisions. You help to have an input. You have an input when you have this governance token. So yeah, guys, keep cryptoing. Leave a comment below. And Whiteboard Wealth signing out. See you very soon.